The Corsair K65 Plus wireless keyboard is an impressive gaming accessory, offering a range of features that enhance your gaming experience. With its MLX red linear switches, this keyboard provides a smooth and responsive key press, perfect for gaming and typing. The pre-lubricated switches ensure a silky smooth feel, making it an ideal choice for gamers seeking precision and comfort. Connectivity is a breeze with this keyboard. It offers multiple connection options, including low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and USB wired. This versatility allows you to easily switch between devices, ensuring a seamless gaming session. Additionally, the keyboard features secure AES encryption, providing an extra layer of protection for your data. One of the standout features is its impressive battery life. With RGB off, you can enjoy up to 266 hours of gaming on a single charge. This makes it an excellent choice for long gaming sessions or tournaments, as you won't have to worry about frequent recharging. The keyboard also boasts a multifunction rotary dial, FN key combinations, and shortcut commands. These features allow you to control your media and apps effortlessly, providing a more immersive gaming experience. You can quickly adjust volume, switch between profiles, and access your favorite commands with ease. The PBD keycaps are a highlight, as they are designed to withstand everyday use. The dye-sublimated keycaps resist fading, wear, and shine, ensuring your keyboard looks pristine even after extended use. This attention to detail enhances the overall durability and aesthetic appeal of the keyboard. Overall, the Corsair K65 Plus wireless keyboard is a top-tier gaming accessory. Its combination of responsive switches, versatile connectivity, and impressive battery life makes it a reliable and feature-rich choice for gamers. The multifunction dial and sturdy keycaps further enhance the user experience, making this keyboard a must-have for serious gamers seeking performance and durability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.